This video is for B2B companies who already sell technology, audiovisual services, point-of-sale systems, or IT solutions and are looking for new ways to grow. Offering digital signage can be a great additional ongoing revenue stream, but there are some things to look out for to avoid making expensive mistakes and creating ongoing support headaches. I'm Peter Anselmo. I'm the CTO and co-founder of SmarterSign. Over the last 19 years, we've been deploying digital signage and digital menu boards for thousands of businesses around the world. I'm not afraid to admit that we've made a lot of mistakes over the years. One of the reasons we started creating these videos is to share what we know and help people to avoid making the same mistakes. With the size of the digital signage industry consistently growing year after year, it's important to make sure that businesses that are getting started with digital signage have the right knowledge and tools to do it right. Okay, if you work with small businesses, restaurants, schools, hotels, office buildings, offering digital signage to your customers might be the right move for you. But before you approach your customers, you need to know what role you want to take. Will you just refer leads and earn commissions, or are you looking to take full control and deliver the whole solution? To help you determine what your specific offering is, I'm going to outline the main components and services that make up digital signage. Okay, what is digital signage? Digital signage is the use of screens to show information, ads, menus, or messages. These screens can be changed quickly and used almost anywhere: restaurants, stores, offices, schools. It's a tool to effectively communicate with people in a public or even private space. So who uses digital signage? The most common customers for digital signage are fast food and quick serve restaurants, retail stores, offices, billboards, schools and colleges, hotels, stadiums. There are so many applications. These places need to share information in a fast and clear way, and digital signage helps them do that. Okay, why sell digital signage? When you add digital signage to your offering, you open up new ways to grow your revenue. You can make margins by selling the physical hardware like screens, digital signage players, mounts, and cables. You can also earn from support, network management, content creation, and design. If you're already selling technology, this is a great way to add another revenue stream. So where do you fit in? Let's talk about you for a minute. You need to know what your skills are, how you offer value, and where your expertise is. Some resellers simply act as a referral. You make the introduction to a full-service digital signage provider and then receive compensation if they move forward. That's simple, low effort, and in many cases is a great starting point, especially if you're new to digital signage. In this case, your value is your relationship and reputation with the customer. I want to point out, this should not be understated. Building that relationship takes time and is the result of a track record of you doing right by the customer. On the other end of the reseller spectrum are the full-service resellers. They'll do everything but provide the digital signage software. They buy the hardware, handle the installation, create the content, and handle most of the customer support. This takes more skill, but it also brings in more revenue. Most resellers fall somewhere in between. Decide what level fits your business and your skill set. What we see happen often is resellers will start at one end and over time gain the experience. They learn the hardware, the software, and how to avoid a lot of the common mistakes that companies make when getting started. Anyone looking to offer digital signage needs to understand a few of the basics. The first off is hardware: the screens, players, mounts, cables. You should know the difference between regular TVs and commercial displays. This one concept alone can make or break a digital signage deployment. You should also have an understanding of how a digital signage player works and the basic requirements like internet connectivity and power. You should also understand how the software and hardware work together at a high level. With cloud-based digital signage, the content is handled in a web-based application and sent to the player at the screen for playback. I recommend doing some research. We have a lot of videos that talk about choosing the right screens and the different components of digital signage and how it all works together. Digital signage is a strong opportunity. Whether you refer leads or run the whole process, there's a great opportunity because of how much value digital signage adds to a business. Restaurants are an obvious choice because digital menu boards can drive sales and improve customer experience. When connected to a point-of-sale system, you can automate the menu boards with price changes and have them update immediately when items sell out. Corporate offices can also use digital signage to communicate, and they help build a great work environment by acknowledging employee achievements and celebrating work anniversaries. The possibilities are endless. With the right tools and support, you can build a steady income stream, but it's important that anything you recommend is something you understand and is a quality product. If you want to learn more about reselling digital signage or would like to discuss an opportunity, you can schedule a call with my team here by going to smartersign.com/schedule.